We're working with Save the Elephants to leverage some of our artificial intelligence and machine learning expertise to a drone monitoring program that Save the Elephants has been envisioning for almost 10 years.
Our interests at Save the Elephants are really around how do we use these tools of high technology and the skills and expertise of an organization like Colossal to improve the chances for wild elephants to thrive long into the future.
We can begin to determine how, using machine learning, how can we individually identify elephants.
Once we are able to track elephants and see how they move in time with respect to each other, there's a lot of things we can learn. How dominance works in a herd.
How elephants communicate with each other, how they interact with each other in groups, how their olfactory world works. These are all mysteries to us at the moment, and they're enormously exciting for us to think about solving with some of these new technologies.
We can really take this 360-degree view of elephant conservation and use funding and technology to help change the way that we conserve elephants today.
So the better we can understand elephants, the more we can help them to exist in the future. Together, there's a lot we can accomplish.